Hi guys, I am the coach and I'm going to teach you how to become a professional forex trader in a 3 minutes length for videos to be released on weekly basis, and this is the first of them. We will start in a moment. Well, I'm sure you heard of the word forex before. Forex is the short of foreign exchange. Actually, when you become a forex trader, your forex account will allow you to trade so many things besides currencies, including indices like Nasdaq and Dow Jones, stocks like Apple and Google, commodities like gold and silver. Let's agree on one thing, guys. This is a very simple guide, a step by step from A to Z on how to become a professional forex trader. You may have been told that forex is your gate toward richness. Well, I agree totally with this, and I will help you to become a professional forex trader, providing you promise me to grow three unnegotiable qualities, which is patience, commitment, and rationalism. The payout of forex trading is extremely generous, and it depends totally on the amount of the capital that you are planning to start with. Let's be realistic, guys. $100 won't make you a millionaire. Your first step toward becoming a professional forex trader is to find yourself the proper forex broker. What we have done here, we've got you the top 10 brokers. Please note that the order has no effect on the quality of the service provided. Pick one of the names and put it into your Google search engine, and you will be redirected to the web page of the broker you have chosen, or simply scroll down to the description of this video. You will find the names and the links. Let's move on to the account opening. Similar to any other website, you will be asked either to log in or to sign up. Please choose sign up, provide your email address that you wish to dedicate for forex trading, and choose a proper password. Once you are done with the signing up, you will be moved on to the account opening page, and you will be asked to fill the following: your name and address, and they have to be real, your proof of identity, your proof of address, and your level of experience in forex trading. You will be asked to fund your account, and we do advise you to skip this for a moment. Then you will be told to wait until you receive a confirmation email that your account is ready for trading. You will later on receive this email, and you will have the login username and password for the MetaTrader, which is the platform by which you will be do trading. Before funding your account, ask your broker to enroll you into their loyalty program, which they call it usually the cashback. You will earn a part of the commission you pay for your broker. Once you are done with the account opening and you are enrolled into the cashback program, you may use your debit card or credit card, your PayPal, Skrill, or a wire transfer to fund your account, and you are all set and ready to trade. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week in the part 2 of this series.